Hey guys, I'm Nick, and today I'm going to be doing a reaction video to Yugi Screws the Rules versus Marik.
Duelists, please cut and shuffle your opponent's deck.
Now let's duel! I summon Vamp.
It's my move. I play my Queen's Knight in attack mode. And then I shall summon my King's Knight.
Way to go, you!
Jack's Knight. Now I have 3 monsters on my side of the field, Marik.
I summon Vampiric Leech!
Take this!
What's that?
It's a card. Now I activate the Seal of Orichalcos!
Forgot what that does.
Yugi!
Yeah! Way to back that evil freak into a corner, dude!
Activate Trap Card! Left Arm Offering!
Oh, no!
Yes, this card lets me move 1 magic card from my deck to my hand. So I'll take the 1 card I need. My Monster Reborn! You're through!
Hand over your Monster Reborn now!
All right!
Nice move, Yug!
Take it!
With pleasure.
All right, back to the duel. This is all that's left of me, Pharaoh. The rest has fused together with Ra.
I'm afraid you're about to regret that move.
That's enough! I'll sacrifice my Yugioh and transfer its strength to my winged dragon of Ra as well.
As president of Kaiba Corp, I declare this invalid!
I sacrificed Yugi in order to summon my Karibo!
Not quite. It doesn't end until my Boganian takes 300 of your life points. So activate your special ability, my beast.
I'm gonna shoot y'all. Oh no!
Nice try, but I play the trap card, negate attack!
Thank you, Kaiba.
Attack his life points directly. It's all over, Pharaoh.
Sorry to disappoint you. You know why? Because I am no longer the target of your Egyptian god card's attack. Now it shall attack you.
Ra won't destroy me.
I'm afraid you don't have much of a choice in the matter now.
You go, boy!
We knew you'd have
I gotta
to
rewatch
get
the
free.
series.
Nice move!
You the man, Yugi!
You do realize that I can sacrifice any monster I wish.
Does this mean you're going to sacrifice Ra?
Anything's
Heck
possible,
yes.
Marik.
Oh no!
I sacrificed your Egyptian god card in order to summon Dark Magician Girl.
He sacrificed a god for her.
Take this!
The Winged Dragon of Ra. We have all 3 of the Egyptian god cards.
When King's and Queen's Knight are in play, their special ability allows me to summon Slifer! Obelisk the Tormentor! The legendary Knights of Atlantis! Dark Magician! I summon Skull! And
Everything!
an entire army of monsters!
Check it out, guys. It's Yugi's monsters on parade.
I've never seen anything like this.
Feel the power of the Orichalcos!
Oral what? Oh my.
Now Yugi can destroy all of Marik's monsters. This is awesome! Obelisk will crush Marik.
How could I let him do this?
All right, my Egyptian god monster! Attack Marik's life points
Skadoosh. Roadhouse.
Now you're only 1 attack away from defeat. Attack Marik's life points now!
And the winner of the Battle City Championship crown is Yugi Moto.
That was amazing, Yugi!
Yeah, the way every monster in your deck showed up, that was classic. Up high, pal.
Yeah, he pretty much screwed the rules on that one. really wasn't too funny, but that was just a bunch of clips edited together. And that's what I've got to say about it. If you guys like my reaction video, hit the subscribe button or follow me on Twitter, Facebook, or share it. Alright, you guys have a good one. I'll see y'all later.